There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics.